Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to add Read More button on Wix post. Follow these easy steps to easily add a post or content with Read More button. First of all, go to your Wix site editor and then click on Add Elements. Here, click on Text and then select Paragraphs. Under Paragraphs, scroll down and here you will find these 3 paragraphs format with Read More button. As you can see, you can add any of them to your Wix website. Let's add this first paragraph with Read More button and I'm going to dragging it here. Okay, once the paragraph added, now you can make the paragraph box smaller or bigger like this. You can also drag it to change position. And now to change text, select the box and click on change text. And in this text box, all you have to need, replace this text with your own text. And then scroll down. What does the button do? Mainly this button, Read More. So here's I'm selecting expand. And now show button, you can enable or disable the Read More button from here. And link button text, you can change Read More from here. And to customize this design, go to change design section. What do you want to design? If you want to change or customize only your content or paragraph text, then select here text. Now you can change your text style from here. You can change your text font. You can also adjust your text or paragraph font size from here. So you will be able to customize your paragraph text from here. And now to change this Read More text color or font, here you have to select what do you want to design. Click here and select expand or collapse button. And then from here you will be able to edit this Read More button. So here's let's change color for this Read More button. So here's I'm clicking on text color and selecting red color. As you can see, the button color has been successfully changed. Also here you'll find bunch of different options to change or edit this Read More button. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.